Alright, my typical usual Thursday video will be up at 5 p.m. but I wanted to film this because I got a couple of questions on Tuesday's video about how would you mount this to the wall, because if you can tell, if you were to just mount it directly to the wall and then put your keychain on there, the keys on the keychain, you know, it wouldn't sit flush against the wall perfectly because, you know, the round keychains and stuff. So my housemate and I have brainstormed, and we have come up with an idea that I think would be great. Originally, I was thinking of using brackets. Let me see, do I have any of those brackets? I do not, but I was thinking the sawtooth brackets that go on the back of frames, you could use those because that would pop it away from the wall a little bit. The only problem, though, is where do you put, you know, the brackets. This is obviously the other one that I demolded. Where do you put the brackets? Because really the only place to put it is here. So, here's what we've come up with. You take a shelf, any shelf. This is just something that I happen to have sitting around. It's just one of those little crates from the Dollar Tree. Let me zoom you out a little bit more. So you can mount this to the wall. So just pretend there's a wall here, and I've mounted it to the wall. And then you mount this to here, right? And then you can put your little things in here, your keychains in here, and you've got a place to put other things like your cell phone, your wallet, whatever. That would be a really quick and easy way to complete this hanging up of this. Obviously, it doesn't have to be a Dollar Tree crate, but, you know, a piece of wood that you can make a shelf with. I chose this because if you just use a regular, you know, flat piece of wood for the shelf, I would be concerned that stuff would fall off of the shelf, you know, whereas with this, you've got the walls to hold it in. But for argument's sake, you would have the flat piece of wood, the shelf behind it. So yeah, that would be a great way to mount this to your wall. Hopefully that helps. I think it's a great idea. My housemate also. I think it was mostly her idea, actually. So shout out to her. But yeah, so that is how I would mount these things. And you could do that as well for, like, if you're selling these at a craft fair or something. You know, you could make it the complete set with the shelf already attached. So, yeah, there you go.